The old tutorial now is not working for Kimsufi dedicated server, because they use generation 2 FI secure boot, so I need to build a window image that support FI boot, such as from Oracle window image. The first step, I create new compute instance with Ubuntu 18.04 image and 100 GB disk size. In boot volume backups section, I create new volume from backup. After that, attach created window volume to this instance. To build the window free tier volume, check out my previous video. Check the available partition on Ubuntu instance. Ensure that the created volume attached. Create new folder. Then use dd command to make backup image of window volume and save it to created folder. And this task takes about 1 hour. After that, I use WinSCF to download the image file to my local PC and also upload a copy to my web server. On my web server, I move the uploaded image in home directory to website directory. Connect to Kimsufi server rescue mod. Check partition and wipe the disk. Restore window image from backup file. It also take about 45 minutes to finish. Now check the available partition. Then connect to Kimsufi server IP address, and join Windows server on Kimsufi dedicated server.